20i allows for the integration of WHMCS through our module to streamline the provisioning of 20i services to your clients, making it easy for them to purchase products from your site without manual setup from within your 20i account. To set up WHMCS with 20i, you'll first need to acquire a WHMCS license. If you don't have one yet, you can purchase a discounted WHMCS license from 20i. Let's move on to installing WHMCS. At 20i, we've made this process incredibly easy with a one-click installation. Simply head over to Reseller Preferences under Reseller Management at the top of the page. From there, select WHMCS. You should see an Install button next to your active license. You'll be directed to an area where we can select our package we wish to install WHMCS on, and specify a folder if need be. We'll enter those details now, and then finalize the installation by selecting Install. The installation wizard will handle the rest and provide a link to your finished WHMCS install. Now that we have WHMCS set up, we can begin integrating it with our reseller hosting. The first thing we'll need to set up is custom fields for the StackCP user. When your clients sign up and make purchases, a StackCP user is created to grant them access to manage their products. As the reseller, you have control over their level of access. By specifying a custom field for this user's ID, you can link up their WHMCS account and the StackCP user account automatically and sync them up. In order to do this, navigate to System Settings in your WHMCS admin area under Configuration, and then select Custom Fields. Here you'll see a form to enter the details for the custom fields. You can name the first field anything you like. For example, StackCP user. Make sure the box for admin only is checked, and then select Save Changes to finalize this part of the setup. Moving on to connecting to the API, within your WHMCS admin, go to System Settings, then Servers. Then select Add New Server. You'll be prompted with a form to fill out in order to set up 20i as one of your servers. Select the 20i module from the list next to Module. In the hostname area provided, feel free to use any valid hostname, such as 20i.com. The username can be left blank, and the password is your combined API key, which you can find in the API area within Reseller Preferences in My 20i. Once done, hit Continue to progress to the next set of settings. Make sure the IP area is blank and a server name is set. Now we need to enter the default name servers 20i provides. These are ns1.stackdns.com, ns2.stackdns.com, ns3.stackdns.com, and ns4.stackdns.com. If you have virtual name servers, you can enter those instead. Lastly, select Save Changes to complete this stage of the setup. Now for adding products to the WHMCS setup using the 20i server we've just created. These will correspond with hosting package types you have within your 20i account. Navigate to System Settings, then Products/Services. Create a product group if you don't have one already using whatever details you like. We have one up called Reseller Hosting ready to go as a demonstration. Now, select Create a new product. Give the product the name that matches a package type in your account. We'll use Linux Unlimited as an example here. Select Continue when done. Then we want to head to the Custom Fields tab. Add a field named Package ID and set it to Admin only. The field name must be set to the specific name and spelt as it is on screen. Lastly, head to the Module Settings tab, select 20i as the module name. Choose the package type for the product, and then save your changes at the bottom. You'll need to do this for each of the hosting products you wish to set up. Next, let's set up domain registrars. Within your WHMCS admin, go to System Settings, then Domain Registrars. Look for 20i in the list of modules and select Activate. Just as we did in the servers area, Enter your combined API key into the password field. Select your admin user and the custom field you created earlier, and click Save Changes to finalize the setup, and you'll be able to begin reselling domains through WHMCS with 20i as the registrar. And that's it. You successfully connected to your hosting using the 20i module. If you have any questions or issues, feel free to ask our support team.